Getting ready to take these two babies to the vet today. They are 15 weeks old and they're going to be getting boosters for their vaccines. These two are staying home. I have a bag full of puppies attached to me. See if I can get a better picture. They are right here. Hi, babies. And we are off to our friend the vet for our vaccines because Mom won't let us in the yard without them. They're so adorable. You guys are so cute. A little bag full of babies. I love you. I do. Sweet baby. Sweet baby. Now we have our babies back. And I took my driver to Starbucks.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored. They did great. We get all of our pet care from Banfield. This is not sponsored, but we do. So we pay, over time, and they get all of their shots on time. And I love the ladies in there. So shout out to my Banfield chicks. You guys are the bomb. We love you. Oh, and the guys too, sorry. They did great. Puppies are in great condition. We're gaining weight. We're doing their shots very, very slow. So they get one at a time. And they should be ready to go outside in the yard in March. So we're so excited.